Check it out, guys. So we are back at this property. We actually did this yard last year. You guys can see it's a little patchy here because I don't know, just patchy here, but check this lawn out. It's still patchy here and there, but for the most part it's green. Grass is growing. It does need reseeded. That's why it's patchy, because it does need reseeded. But check out the lawn. Came out nice. Like I said, it does need reseeded, which is why it's like this. But if you guys can, I don't know if I have the video up in this channel or not, but we did this last year, the whole lawn. And right now we're planting some plants, extending the flower beds, and we put in the downspouts. That's what we're doing right now. You guys can tell, downspout. I think we just need that one, and the other ones are in. Check it out. These are the plants. We brought all these plants except for these. She brought these, but we brought all these. We extended the flower bed, and now we're pretty much planting it, and then we're going to be putting in mulch after, so it's going to be done. But beautiful work here. Beautiful house, new house too. This is nice. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we got all the setups here today too. Got a dump over there in my truck, which the door is messed up on this baby. Guys, we're all wrapped up. We are gonna eventually plant some more plants right here. That's why we let it bare. And then we're gonna be having some daylilies in here as well. But this is pretty much a wrap for this little project here. And then same thing with this other side. Beautiful. So let's go, guys.